Hey guys, welcome to Teacher Mabid. I am a teacher turned homeschool mom to two little girls. And on this channel I share everything from motherhood, homeschooling, and everything in between. And today I quickly wanted to share with you guys my circle time routine. And it's a bit different than what one might think circle time is. But I just wanted to share with you guys. All right. So I talked about it in another video, how we're kind of trying to incorporate Waldorf style, Charlotte Mason-ish homeschool and kind of make it our own. So that's where we're coming from, and that's what we're trying to do. I'm going to get into some of these things. I mainly use this book right here. This is called A Child Seasonal Treasury. It was recommended by a lot of the Waldorf moms, and it's just a beautiful book, pretty much talking about, now if you were homeschooling and you were looking for one book to kind of do finger play, songs, verses, and circle time, this would be it. This would be a really great book. It has a lot of beautiful pictures and songs, and some of these I have never come across, even though they sound like they're traditional songs. And there's even finger knitting and crafts in here. So this is a very comprehensive book for the age range that I was looking into. And so we've kind of been playing with these, and my kids really enjoy them. And that's what I love about some of these books, is that my kids enjoy them. And when they enjoy them, I love that. You know, that to me is a win. And so these are they're divided into seasonal activities and crafts and poems and songs. And so we kind of pick one, do it through the week, and just play with that. And this has been a very nice addition into our circle time. So then what we do is that we do a little bit of circle time. We do poems and songs together. Then we made these bean bags, and me and my daughters kind of play a little bit of math games. And what that means is we are working, like for example, we're working on our numbers right now. We've just kind of been saying our numbers together, filling in any gaps where we had before. Because what ends up happening a lot of times that I've noticed is when kids do like worksheet-like things, they can figure it out. But when it comes to memory and actually knowing their numbers, there's a lot of times, at least I found in my child, there were gaps here and there where she didn't know what number went in there, you know, and she couldn't recall. And so so playing these games has been really helpful in kind of understanding where our numbers are. And then with numbers, then we'll start moving into skip counting, because that's some of the things that Waldorf does is, you know, rhythmic math, where math is not just a state of numbers and automatic calculations. It's kind of, you bring it into a more rhythmic sense, and, you know, bring it into your practical lives and show kids how it works in the practical world. And so that's kind of what we've been doing with these. We play number songs. I mean, we play number games. We skip count. I pull in a lot of ideas from our which book was this? From our verbal math book that I showed in my morning basket. And if you haven't seen it, the video will be linked somewhere for you guys. And then what we do is that we've been reading some phonics readers, and the Usborne phonics books have been a win in our reading. And so we just kind of been looking at them. Sometimes I'll read it to them, and it's a fun way to incorporate some rhymes, early reading kind of thing. So, you know, my kids will just have fun with it. And so we've been working through these. This is just one of them. There's like a whole set I got from, I actually got them at our library. But you can order them, and there's a lot of moms I know, even on Instagram or on YouTube, that do sell Usborne books. So those would be a great resource if you're interested in investing in that. And then what we do is that we do a little bit of Explode the Code. we just do a little bit. And you have to understand all of what we're doing is that it seems like it's a lot of stuff, but we do short lessons, which means that within 5-10 minutes it's like quickly done. You know, it's not, it doesn't drag on for about half an hour or something, which was something I was doing before, but it didn't work out as well. But short lessons has been really effective with us. And then we've started the primary math book, mostly orally or on the whiteboard, you know, just kind of playing with our numbers. Sometimes we'll even do it with our bean bags. I've been using a lot of these books mostly as resources in terms of what we do with our, and then keeping the worksheet portion very minimal or none at all. And then we've also been using Math for a Living Education. We just do we do a little bit here and there. This book is faith oriented, so there is some stuff in here that I kind of rephrase for the kids, but it's very basic in terms of like, it's basically trying to get them to write their beginning numbers and you know, and do that. So that this is recommended for grade 1, but it's suitable for ages 5 to 7. And because we started off early, we kind of stuck with it. But a lot of this stuff is like just understanding your numbers and internalizing them, and playing with shapes, and very, very beginning arithmetic and counting, very beginning addition. So I kind of like that. It kind of goes with my theme of kind of keeping it simple, or basic, and even though we're not doing delayed academics per se, we're taking it slow. Let's put it that way. Yeah, so that's been our circle time. Oh, we also do lessons from our mystery science, which is online. So I'll usually, it's not on the computer, usually it's projected, and we kind of do that if we have a little bit of time, once or twice a week, not more than that. And so we kind of do that, and that was our circle time. I know it was short, but that's what we do. So we keep it simple, we keep it quick, but at the same time it's effective because of the short lessons. And so that's it, guys. All right, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.